Okay, and we're gonna do a little bit of tricks for you, so just sit back and relax. Okay, Chewy, you ready? Are you ready? Yeah? Okay, so sit. Shake a paw. Good boy. Okay, ready? Up. Good boy. Good, Chewy. Yeah. Another one. Okay, sit. Lay down. Good boy. You're a good boy. Look at him. He's so adorable. Okay, Chewy, last one. Sit. No, stay. 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 Okay. Okay. Oh, get it. There you go, boy. Yeah, that's my dog. His name is Chewy, and he's actually 2 years old, and he's a Labrador Retriever, and he's so cute. Look, he's giving me kisses. Okay, boy. He's so adorable. Okay, Chewy. So, yeah. I'm just going to try 1112. That's 1112. And it's my video of Chewy. Thank you, boy. Alright, and I'm out. See ya. Say bye, Chewy. Say bye. You gonna say bye? No? Okay. Okay. Say bye, Chewy. Okay. Instead, he just went by. Alright. So I'm trying to start 1112. That's 1112. And I'm out. See ya.